Welcome back to the stables. I'm Vinny, and today we are checking out this beautiful Prestige Botanic Lodge. Come and have a look around. The stables is a collection of 31 high-end luxury lodges made by a company called Prestige, and they are manufactured in the UK. So to start off with, each pitch will have its own driveway for 2 vehicles and your very own electric charger. Just off of the driveway, we have a resin path coming past your beautiful planting and up onto your timber and glass decking. Come on up. The stables features the largest deckings across all of the parks, and each lodge has its own sunken hot tub with privacy shade going around to make a nice exclusive area to relax. Coming through your main door, we're greeted by your entrance hall, and to my right-hand side, we've got your utility cupboard with your boiler and your washing machine and plenty of space for storage. And through to your kitchen space, we've got all of your upgraded appliances to Bosch, including your microwave, oven, wine cooler, hob on the other side, and of course, a dishwasher. Above this, we've upgraded to the porcelain sinks with the cooker instant hot taps. And finally, your fridge freezer. With this being a 20-foot wide lodge, you've got masses of space in here. Your freestanding sofas, a super homely and comfortable feel. We've got the featured fireplace with the television point above, and we are surrounded by glass, letting in lots of natural light. And follow me to your front decking. So we're going to go through your French doors here, which are triple glazed along with all of the windows. Perfect for the winter as we're coming up to Christmas and it's a little bit colder. These things will really keep the heat in. So as we step out onto your front decking, another really good space in addition to your side decking, but plenty of room for a dining table and chairs, or a sofa, whatever you may want out to relax in the sun during the summer. As we come out of the living area, we come to your hallway with carpeted floors, and on the right-hand side is your family bathroom. It's got a full-size bath and the overhead shower with the rainfall shower head. Some good storage underneath the basin, and of course the toilet. And behind the door, we do have the heated towel rail. Along from here, we'll skip the master bedroom for now and move on to your twin rooms. So we've got 2 of these. They've got full-size 3-foot single beds, featured lighting, USB sockets and plug sockets, a television point, and a great size wardrobe as well. And into your second twin room, very similar to the previous one with all of those features we have just mentioned. And last but not least is your master bedroom. We've got a lot of the features of the twin room with featured lights, plenty of storage, television point. Of course, in here, we have the king size bed as well. One of my favorite features about this bedroom is the patio doors that go straight out to your hot tub. A really nice feature. Off your master bedroom, we've got the ensuite with the same styling of the previous bathroom, although here you have a large walk-in shower. This lodge is available for sale right now. If you'd like to find out more, click on the link below for more information and to get in touch.